The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following New Jersey counties: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. Bucks County, Pennsylvania, effective until 8:26 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Hunterdon County, in northwestern New Jersey, southern Morris County, in northern New Jersey, Mercer County, in central New Jersey, Somerset County, in northern New Jersey, northwestern Middlesex County, in northern New Jersey, east central Bucks County, in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Clover Hill, or 10 miles southwest of Somerville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Somerville, Somerset, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Ewing, Middlesex, Princeton, Boundbrook, Manville, Flemington, Highbridge, Clinton, Pennington, Peapack and Gladstone, New Hope, Hopewell, Lebanon, Far Hills, and Rocky Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 15 and 40. Interstate 295 W Jersey between mile markers 65 and 76. Interstate 287 W Jersey between mile markers 8 and 27. Precautionary/preparedness actions.
A little loud.
You turn it way down now so I can hear the